Hey guys, so I'm here at Logan at Southern Highlands. This area, guys, is so freaking pretty. Like, there's so many trails and like sidewalks that you can walk with your dog, with your kids. Like, this area is really, really nice. And these are unique apartments. These look like homes, but they have like a garage, and I believe they are two-story homes. So let's go check them out. This looks like a small community. It is a gated community, you guys, and you do have to call them to get inside the gate. So it's very safe. It feels that way. So let's go check it out. Let's see what kind of pricing they have and then the requirements that you have to have for these apartments. Let's go. Okay guys, so the zip code is 89141. You have 0 homicides, 2 sex offenses, 14 aggravated assault, 0 robberies, 20 burglaries, 28 larceny, 15 motor vehicle theft, 3 embezzlement, 5 drugs and narcotics, 1 arson, 0 forgery, 17 destruction of property, 1 stolen property, 11 fraud, 0 extortion, and 0 bribery. Okay guys, so I did find 10 offenders in 10 locations, but none living in these apartments. Okay guys, so that was the Logan at Southern Highlands. Now I bumped into a tour guide that I've actually worked with before. Her name is Jazzmin. She is so friendly, you guys. 10 out of 10 customer service, and it was just really nice bumping into her again. So if you're watching, Jazzmin, hello again. Okay guys, so the one that I saw was a Plan 2B. That is a 2-bedroom 2-bathroom that is going for 1231 square feet, and right now that is starting at $1889, and it is available right now, you guys. Okay, so they also do have a 1-bedroom, and they only have a 3-bedroom floor plan, which is Plan 4A. I'm guessing that's not available right now, but she did say that that 2B, 2-bedroom 2-bathroom is available right now. Okay, so let's go with the monthly fees. This is going to be required. So they do have required entertainment package. Cox Communication includes high-speed internet access and expanded basic digital cable. This package is contracted with the community and billed to each unit as a discounted rate of $99 per month. Now, I was so surprised that they had this, you guys, but I was really happy that they do have this. Water, trash, and sewage is a flat rate. So for a 1-bedroom, it's going to be $65. For a 2-bedroom, it's going to be $75, and for a 3-bedroom, it's going to be $85. So it's not going to fluctuate or anything. It's going to be a flat rate of that amount. But you will be responsible in creating Southwest Gas account and NV Energy. So that is going to be your responsibility. Pet policy: cats and dogs are welcome. Breed restrictions do apply. So a monthly pet fee of $35 for 1 pet, or $70 for 2 pet, and non-refundable fee of $150, and a deposit of $200 per pet. But if you do have an ESA pet, you guys, all you have to do is give them the documents. That way they can verify it. Once that is verified, they're going to waive all those fees. Okay, so they do have an amenity fee of $25, deposit alternative option, or $29 to $67 waiver, but that won't be refundable. Pay deposit that is based off your credit, or it's going to be 1 month or 1.5 months deposit, and that is refundable. So application and move-in fees. Application fee $65 per applicant over the age of 18, non-refundable. Holding admin fee is $250, refundable within 24 hours of application. After approval fee is non-refundable. The income requirements is 3 times the base rent, and also no evictions and no collections with previous landlord. Okay, so now let's see how far everything is out from these apartments, you guys. Okay guys, so Walmart is going to be 13 minutes away from this apartment. Target is going to be 15 minutes away, or 13 minutes away. And this has a plaza, you guys. It's got some fast food restaurants, it's got Dollar Tree, it's got a discount grocery store. So it's in a plaza where there's a few other things as well besides Target. Costco is going to be 11 minutes away. Sam's Club is going to be 17 minutes away, and this is actually next door to a Walmart Supercenter and Home Depot. So again, that is in a little plaza as well. Albertson is going to be 13 minutes away, or 12 minutes away. So this one is probably your best bet. Trader Joe is going to be 16 minutes away. Smith's is going to be 6 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 12 minutes away, or 19 minutes away. So your best bet is the 12-minute one. Winco is going to be 22 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 15 minutes away, or 20 minutes away. So your best bet is the 15-minute one. Petco is going to be 12 minutes away. So you guys, this is in the same plaza as I was telling you about the Target, Dollar Tree, you have the grocery discount store, Kohl's, and now you have Petco, and that's all in that same plaza. PetSmart is going to be 16 minutes away, or 19 minutes away, and this one is at Arroyo Plaza. So you have a Walmart, Sam's Club, and I believe you got Marshalls. So again, that's in a plaza. The Strip is going to be 18 minutes away. Fremont Street is going to be 30 minutes away. The airport is going to be 22 minutes away. All right, guys, you do have a hospital that is going to be 8 minutes away, but you also do have urgent cares close by. So that one is going to be 6 minutes away if you don't want to go to the hospital, but you do have hospital ERs very close by to these apartments. Alright guys, so unfortunately there is no bus stop close by. You would have to walk a good minute, so the closest one would be a 42-minute walk. So no, that's definitely not a thing. That's insane. That's crazy. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be estimated at 42-minute walk to the nearest bus stop, unfortunately. You guys, you also do have an animal hospital right next door to these apartments, and it's going to be like a 1-minute drive. You also do have a restaurant. It's an American cuisine, Sean Patrick's, and that is going to be a minute walk or a minute drive. Okay guys, so with schools, you do have a Southern Highlands preparatory school, and that is a 3-minute drive, or you have a Milestone Academy, you guys, which is 3 minutes away, or the Dennis Ortwin Elementary School, which is 3 minutes. So you do have a couple of schools close by. Okay guys, so that was the Logan at Southern Highlands. Obviously you guys, this is more catered to families just because the way that it looks. It's not your traditional apartment. They are like 2-story homes. Honestly, I know a lot of people are going to say like, oh, you can definitely go and rent a cheaper single family home, you know, that's probably cheaper. You got to think of it this way. They will still do all the maintenance like if it's an apartment. So it looks like a home, but you're not going to be responsible for the maintenance of the apartment. Like, you can easily call them if you have a pest control problem, if you got something wrong with the dishwasher, with the plumbing, anything, you can call them and they will fix it. Unlike if you go and rent out a single family home, that's going to be your responsibility. But either way, it's not bad if you want to go that way. I'm just weighing the options for you guys just in case. Again, you know, if you want to go with a single family home, absolutely, you know, you get obviously more yard and everything, but you could also come here, get the same thing, but then have maintenance, you know. So it's up to you. Please go see Jazzmin, you guys. She is 10 out of 10, but she is just down to earth, like truly. So definitely go see her and let her know that I sent you. And if you like this video, you guys, give it a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys, and then turn on that post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload a video, YouTube will let you know. This was a requested video, you guys, so I'm just again going through my list. So I hope this helps the person who was looking at these apartments. Bye guys.